I run 5 income streams, and every single one is powered by AI. No team, no employees, no inventory, just me and a stack of AI tools a beginner could learn this weekend. This is the full breakdown. What each stream is, the exact tools behind it, and how it actually makes money. And the real trick nobody talks about, each one feeds the next. Quick bit of honesty first, because I'm not here to sell you a dream. None of these printed money overnight, and I'm not going to pretend they did. But stacked together, they've become a system that keeps working while I sleep. And AI is the only reason one person can run all 5 at once. Let's go through them, smallest to biggest. Stream 1 is the engine that powers everything else, content. Faceless, AI scripted, AI edited videos. Honestly, exactly like the one you're watching. On its own, the ad revenue is modest. A finance channel earns maybe $8 to $15 per 1,000 views. So a small one might pull a few $100s a month from AdSense. Nice, but not life-changing. Here's the thing though, the content was never meant to be the income. It's the audience machine that makes every other stream on this list possible. The tools are simple: a model to script it, an AI voice or avatar to present it, an auto editor to cut it. Cost to start? Basically zero. Cost to keep going? Consistency, which is the part most people quit on, which takes us straight to stream 2, actually monetizing that audience. And this is where content quietly gets profitable. Brand sponsorships pay 2 to 5 times what ads do for the same number of views. Affiliate links earn on top of that without touching your ad revenue at all. So the same video that made $300 in ads can make $1,000 or more with one sponsor and a couple of well-placed affiliate links. AI helps me find the right brands, write the outreach, and slot the links in naturally. Same content, same effort, several times the money. Most creators leave this on the table for way too long. Stream 3 is where it finally scales. Digital products. I use AI to build things I make once and sell forever. Custom Claude agents, prompt packs, Notion templates, a short mini course. The build cost is a weekend and $0. The cost to sell the next copy is also $0. That's the magic of digital. And the audience I built in streams 1 and 2, they're the customers here. $20 a sale doesn't sound like much until a few hundred people buy it overnight while you're asleep. This is the first stream that makes money without trading your time for it. Stream 4 is the cash cow. AI automation services. I go to a business, find one repetitive job that's eating their week. Invoicing, chasing payments, follow-ups, moving data between apps. And I build them an AI workflow that just handles it. Then I charge a monthly retainer to keep it running. This is the reliable, boring, brilliant money. Automation work bills $75 to $200 an hour. But the retainer is the real prize because it pays every single month instead of once. AI does the heavy lifting. My job is packaging it and selling the outcome. One good client can out-earn the entire content channel on its own. And Stream 5 is the premium tier, consulting. Here's what's mad about it. Once you've actually built all this, businesses will pay you $100 to $300 an hour just to sit down and tell them what to do. AI audits, strategy sessions, small group cohorts. It's the highest dollar per hour of everything on this list, and it costs nothing to deliver but the authority that the other 4 streams quietly built for you. You're not selling hours, you're selling the shortcut. Now here's the part almost everyone misses. These aren't 5 separate hustles bolted together. They're one machine. The content builds the audience. The audience buys the products and clicks the affiliate links. The products prove I actually know this stuff, which lands the service clients. And the service work becomes the case studies that justify the consulting rates. 5 streams, 1 flywheel, and AI is the thing that lets a single person spin all of it at the same time. You do not need all 5 on day 1. Please don't try. Start with 1, probably the content or the automation services, but build it knowing it's the first piece of a system, not a lonely little side hustle sitting on its own. Because that's the real difference between making a bit of pocket money with AI and building something that actually compounds. If you're building with AI, finance or automation, follow me. I'm testing what actually works,